Welcome to our morning message for Wednesday, October 7th. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. And I'm going to get started. Go ahead and show you through the daily plan. So, first on the schedule, we have our morning work, proper nouns, and our journals. So, we have two jobs. So, go ahead and click on that sun. It will take you directly to your morning work with proper nouns. So you're going to go ahead and replace each common noun with a proper noun. So you're going to click right there. Need a refresher on proper nouns? Watch this video and then complete the next slide. So you're going to make it proper. So write a proper noun for each common noun. So I'm going to tell you one right now for school. For school, instead of saying school, I can say Thomas Kelly. And remember, it's always going to be capitalized. So make sure that you have those things capitalized here. So instead of saying candy, maybe you're going to give me a specific type of candy, or restaurant, you're going to give me a specific type of restaurant, or teacher, you're going to give me a teacher's name, and so on. Then next on the schedule, you have your journal. Go ahead and click on that journal prompt right there. And today you are going to be writing about, I clicked on the wrong one. There we go. Today we are going to be writing about Words of Wisdom Wednesday. You're going to respond to the following quote. No two persons ever read the same book, by Edmund Wilson. So what do you think this quote means? How do you think this quote might apply to your own life? You're going to write in your journals for that 5 to 6 sentences. 5 to 6 sentences. Then you have your IB, or you have our daily Zoom with your awesome teachers, and I so look forward to that every day to see all of your beautiful faces. And you have your IB, your Wonderwall. So you're going to click on that IB logo. And we're going to start talking about explorers for IB. So this is a wonder wall. I want you to tell me at least 3 things that you wonder about explorers. Maybe you know about an explorer. Maybe you know someone, know from past classes about a specific explorer and you want to know more about them. Or maybe you want to learn how explorers traveled, or learn what they ate, or how they hunted, or whatever, anything. You can write what you wonder about explorers here. Then we have break time. Go ahead and take a break and come back for your prefix and suffix practice, which is right here. You guys know that. You guys have been doing that for so long. You guys have been doing so awesome. All right, then you have your visualization activity, which is this camera up here. Click on that camera for your visualization activity. And you are going to read A Bad Case of the Stripes, or read or listen to. So it's actually audio. So you're going to be listening to this story. There is not going to be pictures except for the front cover. There's no pictures. It's going to just be words. So then on the next slide, you are going to insert a photo of a drawing that occurred in the story below. This cannot look like the cover. We are not drawing. I should not see something that looks like this. I should not see a cover picture right there. It is something that happened in the story using your own pencil, pen, coloring. Make it pretty. And yeah, there we go. And then next on the schedule, we have our personal narrative. Click on that pencil. You are going to watch this personal narrative video, and then you are going to complete lessons 6 and 7 in your little packet. So for these lessons, you will need that packet and a pencil. Watch this video first before you complete lessons 6 and 7. Next on the schedule, we have lunchtime. Go get some yummy food in your tummy and come back ready to learn. And then after lunch, we have our math, which is our subtraction and addition word problems practice. So you're going to click right there. We're going to be going over word problems today in class and giving you a certain strategy that will help you. So we're going to solve the 4 word problems using scratch paper. I've provided a little cheat sheet on the first page if you forgot, if you are adding or subtracting numbers. So I'm going to show you. Here's our little cheat sheet. It says read the following word problems on the second slide. Solve and answer these problems using a pencil and a paper. What are you going to use? A pencil and a paper. You're going to insert a photo of the papers on the slides at the end. So I need to see all of your work. I don't want to see just an answer. I want to see all of your work. So if it says in all together, total, sum, both, we know we are working with an addition problem. If it says left, difference, many more than or fewer, we know we are working with a subtraction problem. So you're going to go ahead and click right there, and you're going to use the following tools for your cube strategy. So the cube strategy you are going to be learning in class today. So C stands for circle the numbers and units. U is underline the question. B is box keywords. E is evaluate next steps and eliminate information not needed. And S is solve by showing your work. So you will learn more about that in class, so I'm not really worried about that at the moment. And then these are where you're going to insert the photos. So you're going to solve all 4 of these problems right here, all 4 of these word problems. And then you're going to insert a photo of your work here. If you need another page, that is fine too. If you need a page for everyone, we have a bunch of pages for you to insert your proof of work. Then you have your iReady Math, 30 minutes of iReady Math. Go ahead and click on that iReady logo and do 30 minutes. How many minutes? 30 minutes. And then last but not least, clean up your area so it is ready for you to come back tomorrow. All right, bye D1.